Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Guys, today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we on find my device in our techno phone. Friends, we want to on guys find my device in techno phone. So friends, you can on it, and guys now let's see how to on find my device in our techno phone. In this video, I will show you guys. So first of all, guys, open your phone setting to guys on find my device. And so we will on guys our phone setting and scroll it. Then guys you can see phone security setting, fans tap here, and guys third option guys you can see find my device, fans tap here. But we will on guys find my device from here. After on guys you can see use to way to use find my device app, get it on Google Play, find my device web, open web portal. So guys you can see find my device helps you locate this device remotely. If you lose this device, it also helps you keep your data safe. So friends, you want to on guys find my device in Technophone, so as you can on from here. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.